Welcome back to Renovator. Bathtub or shower? It's a question that sparks endless debate. But in the apartment we recently renovated, the answer was crystal clear. The bathtub was taking up way too much space. So how did we solve it? You're about to find out. The original bathroom layout was extremely cramped and offered virtually no storage. The tiny sink, squeezed into a tight corner, made everyday use uncomfortable and impractical. In the new layout, we replaced the bathtub with a shower, instantly gaining more space and giving the interior a lighter, more open feel. We relocated the narrow, cramped sink to the wall by the door and chose a vanity unit instead, adding plenty of much-needed storage. Since the original layout had no room for towels, cleaning supplies, or a laundry basket, we designed a tall cabinet fitted neatly into a niche. On top of that, we added built-in storage above the toilet frame, creating even more space to keep everything organized. The result? A bathroom layout that is clearly more functional, comfortable, and well thought out. Take a look at how this transformation came together. You've seen the entire process. Now it's time for the final result. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new bathroom and the solutions we used. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more renovation inspiration. See you next time.